Hello everyone, this is Krishna and I'm delighted to welcome you back to my channel. So we are here with the eighth part of our 100 Day JavaScript challenge series. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to get the pair in an array with a given sum in JavaScript. So let us consider an example where the sum is 5 and we have an array of integers. Now we need to get a pair from this array of integers whose sum is equal to 5. So let us see this how to do this practically. So first I am going to create a variable called array which will hold the array of integers. Now I am going to create another variable called sum which will hold the expected target value. So here in this case it is 9. So in this challenge the method should return the pair of integers, in this case 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So it should return the indexes of these two values. If it is not finding any pair, it should return null. Now we will create a method called find pair with sum and indexes by using arrow function syntax. So this method should accept two parameters. One is array of numbers and the other parameter is sum. So now I am going to create a variable which will hold the result which is returned from this method. Here I am going to send array of integers as a parameters and sum as another parameter. Now based on this result, we are going to log the strings. So here, if the result value is not equal to null, then we will be having some pairs. So we need to get those indexes of the pairs by using destructuring syntax equal to result. Now I am going to log two things. One is pair found at indexes index 2. Another log with the values array of index 1 and array of index 2. So if it is not found, it will send us the value of null. So here in this case I am going to log no pair in the array adds up to sum. Now I am going to create a variable called scene which will be an empty object. Upon this I am going to create a loop which will loop through each number in this array. So initial value is 0 and I should be less than the array dot length and I should be incremented by 1. Now we need to find out the complement of the current integer. That can be done by using sum minus the current value. So here if the sum is 5 and the current value is 1, the complement will be 4. In the same way, the sum is 4 and the current value is 1, then the complement will be 3. Now we need to add each of this integer with the respective index to this object. Now in this case, 1 colon 0 will be added to this object. So scene of array of I is equal to I. So here in the first iteration, array of I value will be 1 and I will be the index that is 0. Now in this example, I am going to take the sum value as 3. So when it comes to the first iteration of this for loop, it will add the value of 1 colon 0 to this scene object. Now for the second iteration, as the sum value is 3 and the array of I value is 2, we will get the complement value as 1. So if the complement is present in the scene object, then we can say the pair is found and we can return this pair. So for this, I am going to add a condition. So if we got the complement present in the scene object, then there is no need to iterate the loop and find out the complements and all. So I am going to add a condition which will check whether the complement is undefined, and in this the complement is found, then I am going to return the index of this complement and the current index. So if it has not found the complement, I am going to return the value of null. Let's remove this sample data and execute this code. So it says that the pair found at indexes 0 and 1. At index 1 we have 2 and at index 0 we have 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to the sum value, and it shows the same. The values are 1 and 2. So let's take another example where the sum value is 10. So if you see here, there is no pair whose sum value is 10. So it logs the string as expected that no pair in the array adds up to the value of 10. So in this way, you can find out the pair whose sum value is equal to the target what we have specified. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.